Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, is the world's deepest freshwater lake, plunging over a mile down. It holds about 20% of the planet's unfrozen freshwater, more than all the Great Lakes combined. This ancient lake is around 25 million years old, making it one of the oldest in the world. Its unique ecosystem is home to species found nowhere else, like the Baikal seal. In winter, the lake freezes over, creating stunning ice formations that attract adventurers and photographers alike. Lake Baikal is not just a natural wonder, it's a vital resource and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reminding us of the beauty and importance of our planet's fresh water.